Hey guys, Dr. J here with another Move With Me Monday, and this week I want to talk about raking as we are getting ready to close our yards up for the fall. Raking is a great way to get outside and get some physical activity, but it's really easy to overdo it, do a little bit too much, or rake a little bit improperly, and we see a lot of injuries associated with it every year. So I just want to go over some quick tips and tricks of things that I tell my patients when they are going out to do the raking for their fall season. So the main thing is to take frequent breaks. When you're raking, you should rake for about 15 to 30 minutes at a time and then take a break. Another thing you can do is you can change the arm in which you are raking to avoid overuse injuries on one side or the other. So alternating between the two is a really helpful tip. Furthermore, when you are holding the rake, you want to be grabbing it in between waist and your shoulder height. You don't want to be grabbing it up too high here or too low down, as that can put strain in your low back. Now, once you've figured out where you are placing your hands, then you can start the raking process. Things to think about when you are doing this are to avoid overreaching or reaching too far, as this can stress out the low back. So you want to keep it in nice and close and just pull with the arms. When you are collecting all of your raked stuff to put in the bag, try to avoid what we talked about last week, which is bending strictly in through the low back. And instead, you can bend down on one knee to grab like so, or you can bend down into that squat that we were talking about in that last video to pile things into the bag and to save your low back. So I hope everyone has fun getting out there doing some raking done and maybe having the kids jump in it. As always, stay safe, everyone.